Today we're showing you a 2022 John Deere 5055E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. Tractor has right around 70 hours, so practically a new machine. Does come with the balance of the John Deere factory warranty as well. Also comes with the 520M quick attach front loader. Loader does have the global style hook up here for your bucket connection. Has the 6-foot heavy duty front bucket on it. Has a front grill guard with it. Paint's in excellent condition. Has a corner post exhaust. Work lights on front and back of the cab. Also has the 11-224 front tires, which are the larger front tires on these tractors, giving you a little bit better load stability. 16-9/28s on the rear here, on the rear tires. Small scuff there in the fender. Overall, excellent tractor, minus a few very minor blemishes. Does have the rear hydraulic outlet back here as well, and again, rear work lights on top of the cab here. Inside the cab still looks new in here, still have the plastic on the seat. 12-speed power reverser transmission allows the operator to change direction without clutching. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. We have approximately 120 to 130 tractors on our yard. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.